Understanding tunnel maintenance, a key to safe and efficient transportation. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase that you might come across in various contexts: tunnel maintenance. Understanding this term not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you insight into an essential aspect of infrastructure management. Let's explore what tunnel maintenance involves and why it's so important for both safety and efficiency. Tunnel maintenance is a compound noun comprising two key words: tunnel and maintenance. A tunnel is a passageway through or under an obstacle, such as a mountain or a city, designed for the transportation of vehicles, pedestrians, or utilities. Maintenance, on the other hand, refers to the act of keeping something in good condition by checking or repairing it regularly. So, when we combine these terms, tunnel maintenance involves the regular inspection, repair, and upkeep of tunnels to ensure they remain safe and functional. Tunnel maintenance is crucial for several reasons. Safety. Regular maintenance helps prevent accidents and ensures the safety of those who use the tunnel. It involves checking for and fixing potential hazards like structural weaknesses, water leaks, or electrical issues. Efficiency. Well-maintained tunnels reduce the likelihood of closures or restrictions that can cause traffic delays and inconvenience. Longevity. By addressing issues early, maintenance extends the usable life of a tunnel, avoiding the need for costly and disruptive replacements or extensive repairs in the future. Tunnel maintenance can include a variety of tasks, such as inspections, regular checks to identify any signs of wear and tear or damage; cleaning, removing debris, dirt, and other obstructions that could affect the tunnel's drainage system or cause other issues; repairs, fixing any damage to the tunnel structure, road surface, lighting, ventilation systems, and other critical components; upgrades, implementing new technology or improvements to enhance safety, efficiency, and user experience. We hope this video has illuminated the crucial role that tunnel maintenance plays in our daily commutes and the functioning of our cities. It's not just about fixing what's broken. It's about proactive care to ensure our infrastructure remains reliable and efficient. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content on English language learning. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.